Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Megha. Good morning to all of you. And today I'm going to share my morning routine. So let's start it. My mornings normally starts at 6 or 6:30, but today it's a little bit late. It's already 7:15. I drink glass of water first thing in the morning, and then I straight go to washroom to wash my face. You can see almonds here which were soaked overnight. These were soaked by my husband. I love to wash my face with cold water. It refreshes my skin and makes me look instantly awake. After washing my face, I apply coconut oil. You know, Canadian winters are very dry, and I live in part of Canada which is very dry. So I apply 2-3 times coconut oil on my face and hands, and after my bath, I apply this oil on whole body. Now it's time to eat something. I'm hungry. Most of the time I eat some kind of fruit, and today I'm going to eat banana, and that's what I eat 95% of the time in the morning. And one of the biggest chore of the morning is to put back these washed dishes in their place. These were cleaned at night. I also have a dishwasher, but I don't know what happened to me nowadays. I'm cleaning these dishes by hand even from last week. So sometimes I use dishwasher, sometimes clean these with hands. So it keeps changing. I will show you outside. It's very cold today. -15 is the temperature and also snowing. आप देख रहे होंगे ये डिब्बा, ये मैंने कल ही धोया है क्योंकि मुझे चाहिए था इन डेट्स को डालने के लिए। तो ये मेरे पास खाली पड़ा था, मगर इसमें मैंने पहले कुछ डाला हुआ था, इसलिए मैंने इसको धोया और अब मैं इसमें डेट्स ट्रांसफ़र करने वाली हूँ। मेरे हस्बैंड को ये बहुत पसंद है, मेरे बेटा भी बहुत खाता है, तो आई थॉट, तो इसलिए हमने ये बात की थी इतनी सारी। सर्दियों में ये लग भी जाती है। आपको पता है कि कनाडा में टेम्परेचर बहुत लो रहता है, कभी कभी -25 -40 तक जाता है। तो दीज आर बेस्ट फॉर द विंटर्स। वैसे भी अगर आपका स्वीट टूथ हो तो चॉकलेट्स की जगह अगर आप ऐसी चीज़ें खाएं तो बहुत बेस्ट है। इसमें काफ़ी एनर्जी भी देती है, काफ़ी कैलोरीज होती हैं इसमें। Time is 10:30 in my clock, and my all chores for the morning are done except cleaning the floors. Only vacuuming and brooming is left. So first I will do all my cleaning, and then I will wake up my son. He's still sleeping, and today he has a school. Otherwise we will miss his school. Arjun woke up half an hour ago. Now it's time to give him a cup of milk. Nowadays he don't enjoy drinking milk because he recently transitioned from a bottle to a cup, and he's not fully settled yet. Hopefully soon he will start enjoying milk again. I will show you how my son enjoy. He loves to jump on sofa. let's prepare breakfast. I'm making paranthas today, which we will eat with mushroom gravy, and it was prepared by my husband yesterday. He's also a good cook. Okay friends, I'm ending my video here. As I told you, my son has a school today and I have to get him ready. There's no much time left. So thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe, and we will meet in the next video.